for the account.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Patient, known as Ademola. So guys, in today's video I'm in collaboration with Nasi Ademola. Yes, my beautiful sister on YouTube, and she have an amazing content in her channel. She do makeup as well, just like me. So we are collaborating together today. So I'm going to be dropping a link in the description bar, so you guys go and check her out after you finish watching my video. Also let her know that you are from Ademola. Please leave a genuine comment on her video, give her a thumbs up. Have I told you guys that I do makeup tutorials on my channel? I do vlogs, cooking recipe, I do motivational cleaning, I do reaction videos, I do unboxing, I do hair, I do beautiful stuff on my channel. Have I said that? No. If you fit into any of this category or you find my channel interesting, please do consider subscribing to my channel, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified whenever I upload new videos. To my old subscribers that keep coming back to my channel, thank you all so much. You guys are the real MVP. Yes guys, you heard me, you are the real MVP. Thank you all for supporting me. I really appreciate your love and your support. May God bless you all for me. All right guys, without wasting much of your time, let's just jump right into the video. I'm going to be using this color here. First of all, I'm going to use this color here as my transition color. I'm going to use this color here. I don't know if you guys can see that color. This one. I'm using this one. So it has a mirror, so that's where I'm going to be looking at myself. So I'm going to use that as the transition color for now. Go in with this color here. I'm going to go in with this one here. So I'm going to use that same color that I use. No, I'm going to use this color, this one, to smoke it in. So I'm going to be using this Maybelline liner, Maybelline gel liner. I got this from drugstore. This is how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see. And this is what I came with it. So. And then I'm going to move over to this one here, Glowmon Almond. I don't know if you guys can see. by L'Oreal. So I'm just going to apply that. So I'm just going to blend the glow into my skin. You see, it's already glowing. I'm going to use my brow gel on my brows. The reason why I'm using the brow gel on my brows, guys, it will make it stay longer without shifting or anything. So guys, I'm going to be using my Inglot foundation. I don't know if you guys can see. Inglot foundation. So I'm going to put it on mine. So guys, I'm done with the setting. So I've already set my face with my Sacha butter. So now I'm not going to use the powder. I will not use the powder contour. So guys, I have my small brush here with me. The reason why I'm using the small brush to dust off the settling powder on my face is because I want the small brush to be able to reach every other part of my face. To smoke it out. So I'm done with smoking it out now. So the colors that I use on my eyelid is what I'm going to be using there as well. So first of all, I'm going to use the transition color, the one I use for my transition color. So I'm going to use that first because that's what I started with. So I'm going to put it here. I'm just going to dab it in little by little, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side as well. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Bottom as well. So I'm just going to be dragging it gradually. I'm going to do it to the other side. Let me take a little bit. I just wanted to give it that smoky effect, like, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm dragging it. So guys, I'm using the green. I'm using the green. This one. I'm using this one. So to pop it out, to pop out the color. That's what I'm trying to do. Guys, the reason why I did it like that, I wanted to redefine the color that I put underneath my eyes. So that's why I have to do it like that. So right now I'm going to go over to my mascara. Voila guys, this is the finished look of all the makeup tutorial that you guys have been watching since, and I hope you guys enjoy the process from the beginning till now. And actually this is what I came up with, tying my hair. I just thought I should do a different thing today, not everyday makeup and hair or using a wig or something like that. So I just thought of this, tie my hair. I know I'm not really that good at tying hair, but I think I did my best in this. I hope you guys can agree with me. So, and you can see the whole look. My look is glowing. Didn't I transform myself? Yes, I did. I transformed myself. So this is how all the looks. I'm feeling myself right now. So guys, this is the end of the makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Like I said earlier on, please guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share the video. Leave me a genuine comment, and also don't forget to visit Nasi Ademola, my beautiful sister on YouTube that I'm collaborating with. Please, a link is in the description bar. Click on the link and go over to our channel. Like I said before, let her know that you are from Iyawo-Ola, and also leave a nice comment, genuine comment on our video, and like her video, give her video a thumbs to our channel. Thank you all so much for staying by to watch this whole makeup tutorial. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, remain blessed. I love you all. Bye.